Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Hi my dear friends, for your CA final examination, especially May 2022 examination, you start preparation right from today. Early morning at 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. 2 hours daily on regular basis. That early morning study gives really, my dear friends, long lost memory once you understand the subject. For example, I am telling you, my classes of CF final IDT, I used to conduct early morning 6:30 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. My students are getting highest marks in IDT. One of my students who attend the early morning classes got 97 marks in indirect tax laws. If you study early morning with a peace of mind, with greater energy, easy can understand the comprehensive issues, and that will be, even after you qualify, you can remember the provision. So thank you my dear friends for examination. Let's crack it.